Well, folks, I'm in Randleman. It's 80 degrees, and I'm noticing something. So I'm just going to go through the gate. Bucky's Hot Rod Shop. I'm not promoting anything. I'm not recommending anything. We're just going to take a look. We're just going to take a look. I know the sun's in our eyes. Something called Roomer, R-O-O-M-E-R, has it. We're just looking at the junk. It's beautiful. Boy, all those gas pumps and signs are from my childhood, including these trucks. And he's got new idea plus the farm tractor. See, these are collected out of old farm fields where stuff was abandoned when the old farmer died or something. Oh, look at that from the kitchen. The water fountains, the Harrell, those are from my childhood too. There's a relay board. Oh, look at this one here on the right. It's a cedar with wooden panels. That goes back. Now, you see this hand with single-wheeled plow? I've used those as a kid in the back garden. And I've seen those in North Africa with a woman pulling it twice in Algeria. Old wagon wheels, old wagon. Now I'm gonna do this. There's a nice old. I just want to catch these two here with the sun to our back. Now you notice they're not coming running out. They probably used to this. See the golf sign? Do you remember golf? You see the signs up there? See this old wagon? How far back do you think that goes? How about that little jalopy there? What's the make and model of that? I don't know. Put it in the comments. Now we got one more thing to show you. Just hang on. It fits in. All right. Now we're going to go through Randleman Center. We're going to go through Randleman Center. Now if you look at the the style of the brick buildings, they're the same style as the way they were built on Main Street in my hometown up north, in a small town. So ideas spread everywhere. Don't look at the modern refurbishment. Look at the actual brick structure, architecture, and design. Now, I'm going to pull in. Who do you suppose that boy is standing there? It fits in with the stuff we saw down the street, right? I haven't actually seen this brand bank, but everybody's trying to get money, and they're offering nice CD, limited time CD, nice interest rates. Please stop the outflow. This is Randleman, Randolph County, North Carolina, about 10 miles north of where I live. It's a beautiful old town. Steve A.B. Foriel, just out having fun, saying see you in 73.